videos. I went back to work. My wife is right here along with Layla, so she's busy. And I come home tired, so sometimes. And our time is a lot more limited now.
I am making this video to show you guys, to take you guys basically on my fitness journey.
Because her body has changed a lot.
Drastically changed, my friends. So basically before, I used to be super fit in the gym all the time, and we're gonna put some
Videos.
Okay, 3 times. Okay, done.
accident, a motorcycle accident. So then I couldn't work out, nothing.
She couldn't even run. She tried running one time when she was kicking it with me. Parecía pingüino. I should have seen she was limping side to side and crazy shit. It was hella funny.
During that time, while I was still recovering actually from the motorcycle accident, that's when I had gotten pregnant.
Estamos haciendo un video para los fans. ¿Ya? ¿Sí? ¿Ya no vas a chillar? Okay, take it, DJ. So she wasn't going with the motorcycle accident. She wasn't working out. Then when she started getting a little bit better, you know, we did our thing and she got pregnant. So she pretty much didn't work out at all for like a whole year. It's pretty much been a year. And as you guys see after the pregnancy, look how her body is. Body right now, and she's really upset. Like, yeah, she's always telling me like, oh my god, I'm fat. Oh my god, but especially when she was crazy fit to being how she is right now, it really affects her. So, it really affects her. I know. I told her not to trip out.
Ella no habla inglés.
Le dije que no. Le dije que no, la está haciendo de pedo todo el tiempo. Yo le digo que va a regresar a su cuerpo. Sí, sí, le dije. Pero no me hace caso. ¿Tú qué dices? Va a ser normal, ¿verdad? Sí.
For all the ladies out there that have their body has changed after having kids, it affects you
mentally and emotionally, especially the ones that have gone through it already. You guys know what she's talking about.
Just know that
girls,
everyone is different, because people were telling me like, oh, you're gonna pop right back because you were fit and you're gonna go right back into, but no. So everyone is different. Oh, one thing actually, don't scratch your stomach, because look, I have a faja on right now, so, but don't scratch your stomach, because you're gonna get stretch marks. And try to just be like okay, because
tap.
yeah, trust me, I didn't do that. Trust me.
Oh, bañese en cochina.
Oh my. Anyways, so we're just giving you the backstory.
Pretty much letting you guys know how she was, to how the accident happened, to how she is right now, a lo que va a ser en el futuro. So now she's going back to trying to get the shape that she was before. Obviously, with the whole pregnancy and everything, your body's gonna change no matter what. Yeah, just watch the journey. Watch her go back to the way she was. And me too, I got fat. But watch us go through our journey to get back in shape, get better shape, be a better version of ourselves again. Because right now, we are not at the best shape of our lives, but I mean, we're doing good. Stay tuned. Join us in this journey.
Sit up.